Hello everyone, Vanda here, rawandwell. Today I got mangosteen. So mangosteen comes from Southeast Asia, also India, and you might find it in the Caribbean as well. Wherever it's tropical, this will grow beautifully. Now, this is super hard on the outside, kind of like a coconut. It's hard, see? So to open it up, you have to be really, really careful and have a really, really sharp knife. Like, I sharpened this like super well, and what you want to do is lay it on its side, keeping your fingers away from this whole mess here, and hold it down firmly. And then you want to score it. You want to get it to the point where it goes through this skin here. So it's about 1/3 of an inch, I guess. So you don't want to cut the fruit in half, but if you do, it's better than cutting your fingers in half, because we are dealing with a very sharp knife. So you want to get through the whole thing all the way around, and I've scored this one already, and I'll do another one for you. You see, I went too far, right? But what you want is this to happen, where it just opens up nice and easy, and then you have these beautiful little nubs that have a seed inside, and they're a little bit tart and sweet. Amazing fruit, great properties in it, super healthy, super watery, but very hard to find if you're not in those areas or close enough where you can get them. So they only come around every once in a while. I was able to find 4 that looked healthy at the store. So I'm gonna do this again. And again, this knife is super sharp, but as you can see, it takes a little bit to get through the first round here. And probably making the funniest faces. And once you get through the first little bit of it, then you could use that as a guide to continue to go around the whole fruit without cutting through it. So you're not applying a lot of pressure. You're just making sure that that sharp knife goes through there, and then you open it up. And you should be able to release the whole thing nice and easy. So I don't want to break all the little areas here, these little sections, right? But this one is going to be mine to eat, so I could make a little bit of a mess. But as you see, each one is a separate one. This is a nice large one, but then there's these smaller ones, right? It's almost like a garlic. You know, when you open up the garlic, it's got the little sections. So this only had 5 sections in it. Well, actually, one of them fell. So 6. And they all have a seed inside. Doing the mangosteen dance because, wow. But I just want to show you that it's a nice, I still got some more to suck on. But it's a seed right in the middle, and that seed is not edible. But you just kind of suck on that little area and get all the nice flavors out of it. I'm so excited to finish this off. So that's it for today. Just wanted to show you the beautiful fruit, the mangosteen. If you find it in the store, I highly encourage you to try it, even if it's just once. But I know that's how I am. If I see a new fruit, even if it's not organic, and I consume everything organic, you guys know that if you know me well enough. But I try to at least taste every fruit that I see that's new, that I've never seen before, at least once, right? Until I'm able to source it organically, etc. But these, I have never found them organic, so I enjoy them as they are, and I don't even think about that. So I encourage you to try more fruits as they come along. Even if they look a little weird to you, which they do, like you could see it's kind of weird, right? And then that rock hard shell, it's like, what am I even supposed to do with it? So just wanted to get on here and show you something new. Make it the best day. Bye for now.